Kanye West recently had a massive album premiere, but as he was performing an emotional track, he began to break down into tears over fear that he was losing his family. Coming off the heels of his divorce to Kim Kardashian, he appeared to be handling it well when he was seen jet-setting to Paris with model Irina Shayk, but now it appears as though he is still not over the divorce. I'm gonna get into all those details in just a moment, but first, if you could do us a big favor and please tap that like button, we'd really appreciate it. And with that out of the way, let's begin. Earlier this year, Kim Kardashian filed for divorce from Kanye West after what many speculated was sparked by their differing opinions on politics and lifestyle, with Kim confirming as much, saying, "He deserves someone that can go support his every move, go follow him all over the place and move to Wyoming. I can't do that." Aside from unfollowing all the Kardashians on Twitter, Kanye hasn't really posted much to social media other than promotion for his upcoming album titled Donda. This will be his 10th studio album, which was premiered in front of a sold-out listening party at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta. The album is named after Kanye's late mother and will be a follow-up album to his Jesus is King. According to reports online, it will feature collabs with Pusha T, Lil Baby, Travis Scott, and the most hyped feature, Jay-Z. The strange thing with this event though was that it was only a listening party. There were 0 live performances. It basically consisted of Kanye roaming around the stadium floor in front of 42,000 fans. Apparently, tickets for the listening party ranged from $25 to $100. And during the track called Love Unconditionally though, West began to break down into tears, even falling to his knees as he sang, "I'm losing my family." Fans of Kanye were quick to hit up Twitter expressing how this new Kanye hit different, knowing how much pain he must be in. They write, "Kanye screaming, 'I'm losing my family, come back to me darling,' is actually making me cry, bro. I love this man so much and I want the best for him." With another adding, "I felt that, man. That one hit. It feels like I lost so much. I needed this." And believe it or not, but many are also saying that Kim was in attendance with their children along with Chloe. A fan pointed this out on Twitter as well, saying, "Kanye on his knees in a sold-out stadium with a song playing about losing his family while Kim in the building with the kids, ya goat could never." Now, while it may have certainly been very awkward for this to just come as a surprise to them, according to E! News, he was respectful and gave her the heads up. The insider also noted that Kanye did not want to blindside Kim with such personal lyrics, which definitely implies that him saying he's losing his family was not a reference to his mother, but rather Kim and his children. We shouldn't be that surprised that Kim showed up to this listening party though. During the Keeping Up with the Kardashians reunion, she said, "I respect him so much, and you know, that was my friend first and foremost, for a long time, so I can't see that going away. I will forever be Kanye's biggest fan. He's the father of my kids. Kanye will always be family." And Kanye also must have been in a bad spot as he recorded this lyric, because according to the insider, Kanye wanted to maintain their family unit, further explaining that since they have had space, Kim feels relieved that they can actually be cordial and spend time together for the sake of the kids, which is all anyone should really care about here. But we would love to hear your thoughts on this Kanye listening party, so don't forget to drop us a comment down below. And while you do that, I'm going to check out some of your comments from the video titled Top 10 Famous People Exposed by Their Former Assistants. Trish B says, "I had a nurse tell me that when Ben Stiller's grandmother was dying, he came in for 5 seconds and was on the phone and then left, didn't even kiss her or anything. Ben Stiller is the worst." Whoa, that's tea. If that's true, tea. Oda Carlson says, "What is wrong with celebrities? I really don't understand why." Yeah, I feel like a switch goes off once people hit that certain level of fame and we just can't even fathom the world that they live in. Seems crazy. Monica Nadella says, "Everyone has bad and worse days, but people like this don't deserve the wealth and fame they get because it goes to their head and they stop seeing others as humans." Yeah, I feel like it does at some point dehumanize a lot of celebrities the more and more famous that they get. Blunkit says, "I always tap the like button." Thank you so much, we appreciate that. Gabrielle Valentino says, "Anyone else not used to Johnny's haircut?" Don't worry, I'm getting used to it as well. But that has been today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I've been your host, Johnny Rogers, and until next time, stay classy, YouTube, or at least try.